So in this video we're going to be doing some bowling, okay? And we're going to be thinking about focus, okay? So have a think about what that word might mean at home. What does focus mean to you? So for this game you will need any item you think might be suitable to be your bowling ball, okay? So I'm going to use nice big juicy orange, okay? You can think of anything, try something bigger or smaller and see what items might be easier or more difficult for you to hit your targets, okay? To hit your pins over. For my bowling pins, I have some spare plastic cups, okay? And I don't want to throw these away, so I'm trying to think of new inventive ways I can use them and reuse them, okay? So I'm thinking I can use these upside down as my bowling pins, okay? You could also use things like spare water bottles and maybe even fill them halfway up and to make them a little bit heavier. That might make them a bit harder to knock over. So, shall we see? So here are my bowling pins all set up. It's like 10-pin bowling, and when you go to a bowling alley, just like that. Okay, so I've set it up in the same way. You can try and do different ways of bowling. Okay, so take a few steps into it. You can try an underarm bowl. You can try bowling at different speeds. Try and figure out what way is the best way for you to knock over the most pins at the same time. Okay, so you can also try it on your own or try it with a family member. So shall we give it a go? Okay guys, I could carry on doing that for ages. It's actually so much fun. So you can try it on your own, you can try it with a family member at home. You can even adopt some of the rules of the real game and have a scoreboard, okay? Try and get a strike, try and get a spare, or just as many points as you possibly can. So well done guys, I hope you have lots of fun at home, okay? Remember to have fun, do something every day and stay